Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you cover 2 man concept. In the beginning, let's go to pass defense and go to cover 2 man. Cover 2 man is man-to-man defense, but also includes 2 defenders playing zone coverage who split the field in half. Cover 2 man is effective because it can take away short routes with man coverage and it can be easily disguised as zone defense. Cover 2 man is effective when covering screen passes. A linebacker or occasionally DT is assigned to cover the running back and can easily read the play as it develops. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.